Hey, what's going on? Ari here, and are you ready to unlock the full potential of your ReefBreeders Meridian? Let's walk you through the setup of the manual controller. The Meridian manual controller has a built-in timer with a 1-hour sunrise and 1-hour sunset. You can choose from an 8, 10, or 12-hour run time. Press the center button on the manual controller for 1 to 2 seconds, then release to enter manual mode. Denoted by a teal-blue LED on the controller. Turn the knobs to adjust the Meridian's intensity from 0% to 100%. Power on the white and blue LEDs. The Meridian will run 24/7 at the set intensity. This mode is ideal if you prefer to run your Meridians on a wall timer or smart outlet. Sunrise to sunset mode. To enter sunrise to sunset mode, press and hold the toggle button for 1 to 2 seconds, then release the indicator LED. Will turn green to indicate you've entered the timer mode. Press the button to change the indicator LED color. This toggles how long the edge bar will run. Green, 8-hour total run time. Red, 10-hour total run time. Blue, 12-hour total run time. After choosing your run time, wait 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, your Meridian will dim and begin the sunrise. It will turn on each day at the same time and turn off after 8, 10, or 12 hours. Sunrise to sunset plus moonlight mode. To enter the sunrise to sunset mode, press and hold the toggle button for 1 to 2 seconds, then release the indicator LED. This will turn flashing green to indicate you've entered moonlight mode. Flashing green equals 8 hours total run time. Flashing red, 10 hours total run time. Flashing blue, 12 hours total run time. After choosing your run time, wait 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, your Meridian will dim and begin the sunrise. It will turn on each day at the same time and turn off after 8, 10, or 12 hours. Please be sure to set this up at the desired time you would like your light to turn on every day. And that's how you set up the manual controller for your Meridian. For more reefing tips, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy reefing.